In this video, we will just be going over an introduction into the mission and cost analysis spreadsheet. So this big Excel document has many different features, and some of them are going to be helpful to note before you start filling it out. So the first thing is you're only going to need to fill out tabs number 1 through 9. So all of those are going to be blank, and then all of the report tabs starting at the main report on are going to self-populate based on the first 9 tabs of this document. So when you're actually putting data into here, a couple things to remember. If you need to put data into a box, it will be gray. So all of these boxes here are going to need data in them. If you get to a tab like this, where you have some gray boxes and some white boxes, you can leave the white boxes alone because once data is into these cells, these will self-populate. That also goes for program spaces, such like these. In step 1, you would enter the program center here, and then every tab after that where program centers comes up, you don't have to re-enter those program centers, they will repopulate for you. And the same thing up here, program spaces are going to populate, which is just a nice little thing that saves time. Other than that, a lot of tabs have cells that have little tabs on the corners like this. If you hover your mouse over those little tabs, you will find that they have a lot of helpful hints. These hints are a lot of what I cover in these videos. They reiterate a lot of the tips and tricks that I talk about in the videos for filling out this document. And they're helpful to remember as you go along, and oftentimes they address frequent questions that users have when filling out this Excel document. Other than that, it's a very straightforward Excel document, nothing too crazy, no surprises, but having those couple little things in mind will help you complete this document as you go.